Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, for your LLC. An EIN is like a social security number for your business, a unique 9-digit federal tax ID issued by the IRS. It's crucial for various business activities, including filing taxes, hiring employees, and opening a dedicated business bank account. Even if your LLC is a single-member entity, getting an EIN is highly recommended to clearly separate your personal and business finances, offering greater protection and credibility. Before applying for an EIN, your LLC must be formally registered with the Texas Secretary of State. The person applying, known as the responsible party, needs a valid Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. You'll also need to provide your LLC's legal name, its physical address, and a brief description of your business activities. Remember, applying for an EIN directly through the Internal Revenue Service is entirely free of charge. There are several ways to apply for your EIN. The quickest and most recommended method is online through the IRS website, where you can receive your EIN instantly. This online service is available Monday through Friday, from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Alternatively, you can fax a completed Form SS-4 to the IRS, which generally takes about 4 business days to process. The slowest method is mailing Form SS-4, with a typical waiting period of 4 to 5 weeks. Once your application is submitted, the processing time varies. If you apply online, you'll receive your EIN immediately. Be sure to download and save the confirmation letter right away. For faxed or mailed applications, the IRS will send your official EIN confirmation letter to you. It is crucial to keep this 9-digit number in a safe place. You will use your EIN for all federal tax filings, to open business bank accounts, and to build your LLC's business credit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.